Let's do it. All right. So again, this is finding free game assets online. And one of the one of the many sites I'm going to be showing you is called opengameart.org. This is a pretty nifty site. It's probably one of the biggest for free to use game assets. Like all of these is actually very safe to use in a game. Obviously, like if you're trying to make a, you know, an actual like a production in the game, you'd like to create your own assets and stuff. But if you're just working with like testing new things out and you don't feel like creating all the, work, all the assets, you don't want to sit down on like a spread and be like, how do I make pixel burr? You can just go here. Like for example, 8-bit JRPG tile sets. You can just use these, place them around, mess with collisions and whatnot. You got your PNGs right here. So let's take. Actually, I'm not gonna. Can I preview these? Let me see if I can just preview my opening. Oh, look at that. So you got one of the files there. They're like different ones. Ooh, you see, there's a nice one. I actually like this. Let's check out some other ones. Let's see. Well, it's got some 3D models too. Got your little fire hydrant, little simple one. So you got some Blender stuff. Audio as well. So they got the works here. Gardening set. So this is usually like one of the first places I look. I remember in high school, I actually made this little Sonic the Hedgehog like fighting animation on Microsoft Paint and stuff when I was going through one of those phases. And I actually went here to look for it. And yeah, this is pretty nifty as hell. So yeah, these are one of them. And wait, when was these black screen? Okay, that's for the audience. Dope. And let me see. There's submit art right here as well in case you want to be the one submitting assets. Browse. Oh, let's look at the categories real quick. 2D, 3D art, concept textures, music. Yeah, so pretty much the whole kit and caboodle. So the next one I want to show you because this is pretty much like the main gist of it. It's pretty easy to navigate and see which art assets you want. The next one is itch.io. And anyone looking to get into game development a bit more seriously should keep this website in mind because not only is it a great place to get free assets, it's actually a great place to also share your game. And so you can actually make a nice little game demo and put it on here. That's how I found this one game, Streets of Rogue. I found it on itch.io. They had a 3-level demo for it here before releasing early access on Steam and eventually releasing. So here you can go to game assets as well. Yeah, and they got all this stuff. They got the little pixel art, 2D, 3D top down. They got the whole little Final Fantasy ripoff sprites sheet. Let's see this. Ooh, yo, these are actually quality. Look at this. Nice. Bro, they even got a little. They got the whole design doc and everything, man. And the comments. Yeah, they do look like Final Fantasy. It legit gives off the vibes. So yeah, Modern Office, in case you want to make a demake of Stanley Parable, there you go. Oh, these are actually looking nice. Yeah, itch.io has a lot of great, quality stuff. Now, these are paid, but you can always go to free right here on the filter results, and you'll have your free ones. And even the free ones are quality. Look at the dude, generic RPG pack. Bro, I actually really like the colors here. I love bright colors in games. And I feel like the simplicity of it, like there's not too much detail. I like this. Ooh. What all free stuff on itch? Yeah, this is the free stuff right here, pretty much. So let's look at more free stuff because we all love free stuff. Modern interiors, 1,000+ tiles and furniture daily updated. Look at that. Oh, dude. Yo, this one's, oh my God. All right. I like this. I haven't seen some of these assets here. The instruments actually look super clean as well. I think, yeah. Ooh, we got a whole bunch. Mother 3 vibes for sure, dude. Whoa, dude, this is like some Hollow Knight inspired stuff. See, even stuff like this is actually free. Download now. Name your own price, dude. Wow, I like this. So yeah, lots of high quality stuff on itch.io. And again, like there's actual demos in here if you want to look at, what other developers are currently, coming up with. And itch.io also hosts a lot of jams as well. I know there was one a few months ago. I forgot what was the name of it, but they had a nice 48-hour game jam that they hosted. So definitely look into that if you're looking for more game jams in the future. But that's itch.io. The next one is gamedevmarket.net. Now I'm not familiar with this. Wait, I'm getting a suggestion to explain game jams right quick. Okay, so for anyone who doesn't know what a game jams are pretty much hackathons, but specifically gaming oriented and stuff. So it's the same concept as, let's say, like a ShellHacks, which is like, some game jams are like 48 hours, some 36 hours, stuff like that. And you have to make a game in within that allotted time. Some game jams have a theme. Like for example, I know the recent one in the summer, they had this thing where it's like you had to make sort of a lack of control for your player, like an actual mechanic and stuff. So you had to build a game around the player not having any control. It was a really cool theme. And I forgot what last year's game jam theme was. It was, oh no, it was a lot of stick themes in game jams. Yeah. What was the last theme we had? I forgot. But some are themed, some aren't. They're just like, oh, do whatever you want. And they're just a really great environment for learning how to develop games. So if you ever want to dedicate an entire weekend to just learning how to make something, then game jams are definitely the place to do it, rather than just picking any other random day and just be like, I want to develop this. Because the thing about game jams is like, if you sign up for one, like you're more inclined to like stick with it and like be in an environment where you can actually develop something with a team. So gamedevmarket.net. I haven't used the site too much, um, but it's also another place I've looked up that has some great assets. So let's check out some of the 3D ones. See 3D characters. I'm showing off the 2D ones, but I know some of you little tryhards wants to use 3D. Make like your own little Fortnites or whatever the Zoomers like to call it these days. All right, so we can filter by price, free, Deaf Girl, modular military character, Orc Pig. Yo, look at this! Look at this handsome god, Orc Pig. Oh, what am I looking at? Oh, this actually looks cursed. Oh, it's got a nice little. Oh, I love the shield. Look at that. It's got the little schnauzer there. I like it. It's a little pig orc shaman. All right. I dig it. I dig it. All right, let's go back. Um, simple animals. These look cute. Aw, so cute, little doggy. In case you want to make Nintendogs remastered deluxe edition or something. Let's see. You got dinosaurs. You got human 3D project, 3D warriors, spiders, and the worst. Oh, these actually look nice. Let me see if there's. Wait, environment city. Let's look at the environments right quick. Yo, Morris, what's up, man? Hey, that's another one I haven't seen in forever. Damn. All right. Ooh, Village Gas Pump. Pizza Bar Environment. Oh wait, these aren't free. What are you doing? We're not here to pay money. What is this? Paying artists for their artwork? Nah, dude. We're gonna get the free stuff. Nice to see you too, man. Smart City. Let's see. All right. It's looking pretty legit. So yeah, you can find practically anything, even entire whole environments, animated as well. It gives you nice little details here. So that's good. All right. So I think that's enough for this site. But one other place I want to show you is Reddit. But for Reddit, hold up. Let me incognito. We're gonna go on the generic Reddit. I don't want you guys to see I don't want to leak my account and stuff. All right. We're gonna look up game assets. Because Reddit's also another. No, Doxy. Yo, no, Doxy, please. Yo, why am I Reddit slow? Game assets. You actually got your subreddit here. This is another great place for game assets. As you can see, look at this nice, simple yet clean potion set and all this stuff. This is good. The community seems like pretty active. Like these posts are like just recent. Let's look at new very quick. And usually a lot of times when people post on Reddit, they usually post like free stuff. So that's also really good. And it also helps you just connect with other people that actually make game assets in case you want to network with people, which I'm gonna get to in another subreddit after this. So, oh look at that, nice little M1 tank. Hmm. The potions 2 days ago. What's this? Modular medieval dungeon asset pack. For those of you that want to make your own little dungeon crawler. It may not have sort of the search capabilities of the other sites because Reddit search is a little and stuff. But if you want to see like recent stuff and something that catches your eye, definitely, take a look. And there's another place. This isn't exactly for free assets, but it's for anyone that is looking for people. Game dev classifieds. I want to share this specific subreddit. This is for people that want to find people to make a project with or that want to advertise their work. You can come to Game Dev Classifieds. And this is for actual legit like positions, either for like actual, decent sized companies or for any small indie studio that needs an extra programmer or artist or sound designer. This is it. And pretty much people, they put in their tags like let's say paid 2D art right here. And yeah, they're pretty much putting it's like job ads, but for game development. And it's a great way to connect. And there's a lot of people here too. 63.1K. So, and usually the people that are on here actively are actively searching. Prior experience logo designer. So I know it's not free assets, but for anyone here who happens to be interested in looking for someone, this is, one of the places to go for networking, as well as also ShellHacks. You're gonna find a lot of game developers around here too. I know like my first ShellHacks, I decided to make a meme game with my friend Joe and stuff. That ended up like turning out really well and stuff. So that's good on that. All right, 11:17. Hold up. I know I had another. Did I have another? Oh, I got you. Humble Bundle. I'm sure some of you are already aware of the site. Bro, everyone and their grandma has been playing Among Us, dude. It's incredible. That game's super good. But this is Humble Bundle. For those of you that aren't aware, it's another PC games marketplace, just like Steam. But it also, as you can see right here, has game assets. Uh, Kevin and I have been able to snag some really good deals off of like hundreds of game assets for like 20, 25 bucks. I know like and when it starts off as low as like 10 bucks and then they keep adding more stuff as you pay more. And I believe that the first one I got, it was a $25 one that had a whole bunch of like Unity assets for like 3D game development, including this thing called Gaia, which is a procedurally generated sort of 3D terrain generator. Like it's actually massive. I never got to use it because my computer at the time would actually like die if I tried running it, so I didn't get to try it out. I still have it somewhere in the deep depths of all my other assets. But definitely keep tabs on this because there's sometimes where they'll have an amazing deal. It's like, oh, dude, hundreds of 2D assets, for example, like $200 value, all just for like 15 bucks. So this is where you just want to spend a little bit of money and get a whole bunch of assets that you can be free to use, and so you keep them like forever and stuff. So that's good, and you can always preview the assets beforehand, sort of look at them and see if they're to your liking and stuff. So let me see this for example. This is a nice Humble Unity Games and Game Dev Assets Bundle. Let's see what this has. Usually the bundles that come on these on Humble Bundle are quality, dude. So let's see what we got here. All-in-one sprite shader. Regular price $24.95. This is if you pay like $1. Sensor toolkit. Ooh. I don't think you guys need the audio. It's just generic music. Oh, it even tells you how to use it in Unity. Oh, that's pretty slick. Nice. Too bad my internet is deciding to choke. Awesome. Let's go. This is my favorite asset right here. The little the little buffer icon. My absolute favorite one. I use it on everything. Oh, am I actually gonna be able to play the video? No. All right. Thor Thunderstorm. What is this? This is the new Marvel Avengers game? Thor Thunderstorm. Bro, loud music. Oh. All right, but you guys get the gist of this. So they even tell you like, how to sort of apply it on Unity and stuff like that. Let's see. White mage spells, monster sounds. They got everything, dude. And as you can see, like already some decent stuff like at the $1 tier. This is pay more than the average of 22.92. Also unlocks. Huh? This seems all right. Wait, hold up. One deck dungeon. I think they also bundle games into this as well. But yeah, something to think. Ooh, wow, that's actually really good. I wouldn't be able to run that. Not on my 1050 Ti now. All right. But yeah, I think that's pretty much most of the sites. If you guys ever forget any of these, I got them just by looking up whoa, I'm getting blasted by music. Oh, now you decided to play. Ow. Ow. Okay. You compiled a list? Perfect. And just in case you forget to do that list as well, Googling them is also like really easy. Like just like the first results of like how to get free game art assets, like literally gives you this list and these are all the sites I kind of fed you. Well, I fed you these first three. The other ones, and I fed you the game assets subreddit. There's some other ones, Game Art 2D. I haven't used this one. Craft Picks, not familiar with this one. And yeah, but actually, let's look at one of them. Let's see. Let's try Craft Picks. I want to use up some extra time here. All right, 2D game kits, trivia crack, sports trivia, fantasy platformer game kit. Ooh, I know this is paid, but I want to see this. This actually looks quality. Oh, that looks a little clean. I like it. Let's look at the free stuff. Freebies. That's what I want to see. Oh. Dude, there's so many great sites for this. I'm just realizing I knew like one or two and Reddit, but CraftPix is actually pretty decent from what I'm seeing here. Let me see this. Like this actually looks super clean as well. Give you the details as well and stuff like that. Does anyone have any questions about just sort of these assets and stuff? So we can kill some time. Anything you guys want as I scroll through some of these free assets some more. Let's go to page 2. Is this page 2? No, it's not page 2. What's your favorite asset for music? That is a good question. Um, I don't have a personal favorite because I like playing around with creating my own music and stuff. I'm not a musician by any means, but I use this cool site. Why did I press back? It's called Beatbox. This allows you to make some really cool chip tune stuff as well as other instruments as well. And I really like the site. It's completely free. It's like your nice little own audio synthesizer and stuff. Freesounds.org. I know there's a specific site for sound effects. It was on a tutorial, but damn, I should have went over sound more actually. Yeah, because you can self make them in Blender. No. In terms of Blender making your own assets, yeah, for sure. Blender's completely free. You can make your own 3D models there. Freesound.org. Oh, good suggestion. Let me see. Freesound.org. Is it legit, guys? Is this malware? Is this malware? No, I'm saying. I'm all about the malware, dude. Let's go. All right. Dark texture 3.waf. Can I preview this? Yeah. Ow, God. I have this blasted. Wait, I don't even have share audio on, do I? Hold up. I don't think I can go back and share. But you guys have the site. You guys can see it. All right. Use Unity, but what about Unreal Engine? Unreal Engine is dope. I don't have much experience with Unreal Engine specifically because I mostly focus on 2D game development, and Unreal Engine is more geared towards 3D development. And it has support for 2D, but I've heard from other people that it's not really that great. Um, yeah, I figured I don't have audio on. I just wanted to see if there was an option that I can go to quickly get it on. Well, it's all good. People have the link for the site. Um, are geared towards 3D assets. That is true, but there's also a lot of 2D. I see there. I always see like a good mix of 2D and 3D. Can you show that 2D dev site you were just on real quick? 2D dev site. Which one specifically? Was it itch.io? That's one I showed. There is Game Dev Market. Um Humble, CraftPix, and then there was Open Game Art. Um CraftPix. Okay. Right here. Let me take you back to the homepage right quick. But yeah, I personally prefer Unity. Unity's pretty dope. And it's a versatile engine and stuff. It's not perfect, but it's definitely really great to get your feet wet on. So I highly recommend it. I also recommend like Unity and I mean Unreal Engine if you're doing like 3D stuff primarily. What's the best application to start 2D projects? Um, Godot or Godot, however you pronounce it, Godot, is an up-and-coming game engine that's actually really dope. It's completely free. It's open source. It has the MIT license, so you can actually contribute to it as well. It has a lot of really nice features, and it's getting more and more supported each day. So that's a good one. I use Unity just because I've been using it for a couple of years, and like I'm familiar with it, and it's great. And it also has a lot of support and documentation because like a lot of people develop on it. So those are my two go-tos. There's other ones like Construct. Game Maker's really popular and has a lot of great projects on it. Like for example, Spelunky, the original one was made on Game Maker. That's specifically if you don't have much scripting experience because that's a lot of like plug in and drag and drop components. So because I'm into making a 3D world, then you're gonna want Unity. I mean Unreal Engine for that. You can make 3D worlds in Unity though. So I think it all comes down to preference and stuff. What's a good one for someone with zero experience? Um, if you have zero experience with programming whatsoever, I've heard Game Maker is really good with that because it's pretty much drag and drop components and stuff, and it has its own like built-in systems for like AI and stuff. It's like I was recently watching an interview of Derek Yu, the lead designer for Spelunky and stuff, and when he was making the classic, when he made it on Game Maker, and he specifically chose Game Maker because he didn't actually want to code too much of the logic. I mean, too much of the like the backend stuff. He just wanted to work on game logic and art. So that was like really good for him. So Bitsy is good too. I haven't heard of Bitsy too much. What is that? You guys have any suggestions? Is it a game engine? Wait, Bitsy Game Maker. Oh, is it a game or? Oh, it's a game editing tool. Okay. Wait, I'm not gonna open up this. All right. I haven't heard of this one. Okay. Aw, dude. So it's entirely based on the web? That's actually really dope. Yo, good suggestion. I like this. So it's kind of similar to like Beatbox where it's like everything's contained on the web. I like how people are doing that now. Dope. I don't have much experience with this though, so I can't really like give, my take on it, but it looks pretty nifty. Let me see what? Oh, this is room. Write your game's title here. Oh God, I'm so lost. I'm discovering, guys. Download game though. All right, I like it. And but there's a whole there's some that haven't even named like Coco's 2D, Construct 2, I believe I've mentioned once, and a whole bunch of other stuff. Guys, for music, try Sunvox. Sunvox. It's saying it's on the App Store, so it's a mobile app, or does it got something here? Hmm. Okay, more like a DAW. But yeah, there's so many of that. I can't really give an opinion on a lot of the audio software because I'm not too experienced in audio design like whatsoever. I'm kind of musically challenged like that. But the suggestions are good. Digital audio workstation. Digital audio workstation. Oh, yeah, you're just explaining what a DAW is. I thought it was an actual thing. Oh man. Well, you guys want the Wikipedia for it? Fuck it. Here it is. DAW. It's any electronic device or application software used for recording, editing, and producing audio files. Yeah, I'm not gonna read the rest. All right.